This is the new Mercedes-Benz E-Class Sedan. Yes, the new W213 E-Class Sedan is now here in Malaysia. Mercedes-Benz Malaysia will be launching the new facelift E-Class really soon with two CKD models, E200 Avantgarde and the E300 AMG-Line. Both of these models will be locally assembled in Mercedes-Benz Malaysia's Pekan facility. As the launch of the facelift E-Class, Mercedes-Benz Malaysia will be ready to take down the new BMW 5 Series LCI. Talking about the designs, the new facelift E-Class has new-looking front and rear lights that are similar to the new S-Class, which is still not available on sale in Malaysia. Its front grille has been designing for a sharper looking, making it more aggressive looking. The rear has been updated for a new-looking boot lid and a chrome stripe crossing between the rear lights. Towards the specification of the car, both E-Class in Malaysia will be powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. This engine will be putting the different amounts of power despite which model you are getting. For the lower spec E200 Avantgarde, the engine has been detuned to 194 horsepower and 320 Nm of torque. For the higher spec E300 AMG-Line, this engine will be putting out 254 horsepower and 370 Nm of torque. Both cars get a 9-speed automatic gearbox which is sending the power towards the rear wheel. Equipment-wise, the E200 gets the Avantgarde styling pack, LED headlights, 18-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels, power-adjustable front seats, MBUX infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support, blind spot assist, active brake assist AEB, and tire pressure monitoring system. As for the E300, this variant gets the AMG-Line exterior pack, multibeam LED headlights, larger 19-inch AMG alloy wheels, panoramic sunroof, leather upholstery, 360-degree camera, and active distance assist ACC, active lane keeping assist LKA. For the detailed price, the facelift E200 Avantgarde will be starting at 362,943 ringgit, while the E300 will have a slightly higher price at 375,432 ringgit. The price for both cars doesn't include road insurance. Looking at the car, there will be intense competition between the facelift 5 Series and the facelift E-Class. Let me know what you're thinking about the new E-Class facelift. Do you like the look of the new E-Class, or do you prefer more on the 5 Series facelift model? Let me know what you are thinking in the comments section down below.